Chad. Good morning. Good morning. More. We gotta work on those transitions.
I was gonna say, bro, you just go in over there.
I'm not gonna get a DJ gig. That's why we've got Jexy, the local DJ. We should actually find a way for Jex to build a non-copyrighted playlist and then he mixes on the decks. Imagine that kick. So in that corner there, we'll have like Jex on a deck, and it'll be the resident DJ on the stream. Alrighty, ladies and gents and ladies. How's everyone doing this morning? Keeks, how are you doing, my brother? Good?
I'm doing good, brother. Yourself?
Good. Chat, hope you guys are ready. It is NFP Day, Friday with Jex on the decks. Jex, do you have a mic when you DJ? And then you also say stuff like, open up that pitterus. I want everyone in the pit. Jex. Where my rages at, Keeks? Oh, Chad. We need to get some sunlight in this office. No. I said pitterus, the mosh pit. You on the wrong side of the track there. Alrighty, Chad. We are not going to trade today. You guys will just see us full screen. We're going to save you money. It is NFP. The markets are going to chop to death. Okay. I'm kidding. We are going to look for something. But, Chad, before we start, as always, we're going to pray here. Kigo, I'm going to ask you to do us the favor here today. And bless us with the prayer there, my brother.
Alright, guys. Let's pray. Heavenly Father, thank you for bringing us all safely back here again once today. It's another day to live and have this gracious life that you've blessed us with, to come forth to do better for ourselves, for our family, for our loved ones, for our community. Again, that community is something you've graced us with, having people to stand by you, back you, motivate you, inspire you. Again, there's not a thing of race, there's no cultures, there's no religions. It's all just about you. We come here with that one core principle of you being at the center of it. We want to grow from strength to strength, and that is only within you, within that Holy Spirit guiding us, leading us, speaking through us. And that is where we'll find that true strength. Lord, again, when these markets seem sometimes a little bit tough, just like in life, we always know you might go through those difficulties, but it's in those darker seasons we become the people you know and inspire and want us to be. So, Lord, we pray that you just continue to guide us, have that overhand of protection with us as we go into another day of this gracious week, as we pray this in your blessed and mighty name. Amen.
Chad and all God's people can say amen. I'm just going to have a sip of water quickly. Okay. Up to 5 liters. Alright, let's see where we are. Okay, this is where we are. Let's see if the chat works. Does the chat work? The chat absolutely works. Beautiful. Okay, guys, we have NFP today. Okay. If you didn't know, it is NFP. Expecting 70,000 jobs. Still a relatively low number. Expectation is that average hourly earnings is going to drop. Okay. Year on year. But we will still talk about that. DXY. Daily. Let's quickly look at the daily. Yesterday I mentioned to you guys that we are still effectively bearish, that this is the wider range that we are trading in, and I do expect the dollar to continue lower today, but there is certain criteria. Okay. That was our analysis from yesterday. Okay, look at that. Alrighty. What is that requirement? If we are going to continue lower today, we need to hold below the previous daily low. If we cannot hold below that level, there's a very high chance we can start to move bullish. Okay. If I just pull my Crebo trades line here, okay, we can already see that this little downtrend here has been snapped somewhat. And this is the zone that you need to focus on and monitor. Okay. Yields, I just want to check what yields are doing. Oh, yields coming down, dollar cracked. Okay. Gold on the daily. Okay. Gold is very, very interesting for me because this is that yearly R1, that red line. Yesterday we rejected it. And I told you guys I'm not a fan of how prices moved from these lows. And when I say I'm not a fan, if you want to buy the first pullback, for instance, after a new high, you want to see something like this happen. Okay? Pullback, continue. Pullback, continue. So I'm not saying we cannot continue higher, but I'm not a real fan. I'm going to need to see some more bullish continuation before I get super bullish. There's still that chance we end today something like this. Okay, there's still a very high probability we get something like this today. But as it stands currently, I am still relatively bullish while we hold outside of this range. Okay, still bullish. Yesterday's daily candle traded, it's an inside day. Okay, if you want to know what is an inside day, it is very simple. All it means, if you ever hear somebody say that, an inside day is when that daily candle traded inside of a daily range the previous day. So you can see that that candle never took out Monday's high or low. Okay, so it's relatively range bound. Then when I drop down to the 4 hour, we can also see on our 4 hour time frame that we are consolidating. That is a consolidation. We're not breaking higher, we're not breaking lower, we are just ranging. Okay, so still relatively neutral to bullish as it stands. And when I drop down to a lower time frame, what can we see here? All the way back to Monday, this is what we've been working with. Okay, this is literally what we've been working with. Very, very ugly price action sideways. Can even see price just trading in and around that 200 EMA. So today I do believe we're going to get a breakout, and I'm going to remain bullish on gold while we hold above that yearly R1 and while we hold above the 200. Okay, so that is my idea. Do I think we run before NFP? No. Do I think we chop traders to death? Absolutely. So what I'm actually thinking happening here before NFP is actually we're going to go to fill that gap to the left. And then all we're going to do is we're going to start taking out localized highs and localized lows. All right, so it's just going to chop like this. Take out a high, failed break. Take out a low, failed break. So very unlikely we get a trade here today, but we are going to see if something sets up, but it's not looking promising at all. All right, okay. The gold automation is already break even on the 3 buys it took. I just want to see if I wasn't stopped out at break even. No, still in. So the average price on the gold automation is 50.43. Okay, and the target, yes, it came very close to target, 50.70. Yes, it came so close. Okay, anyways. So that's the gold automation. Yesterday it took a loss, but it's still in a buy from Monday. And then it's got the buys from this morning. Okay, so it's currently just one loss. These trades currently at break even. And then that position from Monday. So all depends on how that plays out. So that is gold. Very, very sideways, very chop. And then US30 on the daily, also very interesting, is that yesterday closing bullish with a nice top wick. So I do expect us to continue bullish today. Only thing is, how do we execute on it? It's not very clean. It is not very clean, yeah. Yeah, there's I don't like any of this, guys. The reason I say that is we had a very nice move to the upside, and now we've technically been trading inside of this massive range there. Honestly, nothing I like on US30. NASDAQ daily, let's check it quickly. Daily closed back inside of this range. Okay. But we did effectively, we actually missed that level there. Also not the cleanest there on NAS.
I mean, bro, if you really want to trade NAS, these guys that have been really killing NAS. I think they're called Project G.
Wow.
They've
Okay.
obliterating NAS, bro.
Okay. Yeah, guys, even NAS, it's not looking good. Let me know who took the trade yesterday, the short on NAS. When did I share the strategy with the guys? Monday afternoon, eh? Was it Monday, Keeks?
What trade was that?
That strat I shared with them where they had to like.
Yeah, it was Monday.
Who took this trade? Let me know. This was explained to you guys.
Jake says he did.
No, I know Jake's did. Jake's
is a slur there for NAS.
took 80 on it. Yeah, I only took 40. I was hoping for a nice move like the one I caught on Monday. Monday we caught it here. Go check Monday's stream, guys. Just a lot of free value was given out to you guys. This was Monday's one, so I trailed all the way. Monday's one was stunning. I was also trying to swing for 3R here. Came very, very close. I was maybe a little bit greedy, but nonetheless, I took 40 points. Who took it? Oh, Rixie, you got to lock in, my brother. You got to lock in. All right. Chad, go check Monday's stream right at the end, the afternoon. But I think I'll do a YouTube video on this one, Keegs. Nice, easy goal. NAS strategy for you guys. But yeah, that is me. I'm actually not really locked in for any trades here, but I'm gonna see what we get. Kigo.
I'm chilling, guys.
Now again, we don't have your screen. But what is this technology?
I promise you I didn't do anything.
Oh, there we've got it back. Your technology. There we go, Kigo.
Yeah, guys, in a very short version, yeah, so obviously going off of dollar. As I said to you guys yesterday, if we had a confirmation and didn't really go back up, I'm still going to be looking for this. So I am going to be a bit more bearish today on the dollar. Obviously, we do have a big fundamental day, so we're going to see what happens there. But I am going to be bearish on it if we go over here. We obviously still have this gap we want to consider that is open. So again, you can see a market gap there. So just monitor that. But another thing we want to monitor is just if you're going over to, was it the 30-minute? I saw it this morning. Let me just look up for you guys quickly. The 30, or is it the hour? Yeah, so yeah, two things. As I said, so you have that, this thing. You have that first gap we spoke about, and there is still a second one there. So it's actually a little bit short. I know it looks close, but it is a little bit short. So we technically have two gaps. So I do think if we get a bearish day, if not one, I think there's a chance we're going to get probably 1 or 2 bearish days out of here for the dollar. And just in that short sort of way going with that idea is that when we go over to gold now, the whole idea is when we're looking at a daily, gold really hasn't been doing much. It's been battling. This is the yearly resistance. And I think that is the major thing, especially I've been talking with Prodigy guys a bit, obviously a bit more in depth. But if we hold this, it's the same concept we would use with the normal pivots, that if this yearly holds, you're going to be aiming to the next yearly. And obviously this is the starting point of really deciding if this was a pullback to continue more bearish again, or was this just our pullback to continue bullish to take all-time highs and then, as I say, run to the yearly R2 again. So this yearly is a major level, and it's understanding where we're starting to see things like this. So we're really seeing that build up, and we have a big day. So if we do get it, as I say, we could see that big drop off in dollar to go and close those gaps, and then that's where we'll kind of see us and be able to make our move on gold again. But also what I wanted to say is this, I am a lead a bit more on the bullish side with gold, and purely because with our other things, we'll normally talk about it. With indices, you hear me talk a lot about, I always say that as your fake out candle, where normally we talk about a pause candle. Now this is the same thing, just on a higher time frame. So for example, you can see in the past, there was literally your pause candle, continued bullish. Where was another one where we just had one? So I mean, there technically your pause candle, continued bullish. So it definitely has been there, and then now if this holds, that's where you want to now see this thing start to move again. So we just look at that confirmation. Right now as it stands that on the 5, there's probably not really something I'm going to take, and the reason I say that is if we get our 200 trade, the little flying bird crossed over with the hyena, meeting the giraffe at the 650, 200 inversion.
Are you talking about the SIP?
If we get the play,
The SIP play.
it's on. But until
Where's Brian? I hope he didn't miss that. Yes, bro. Why did my voice crackle a little bit there?
But until that point,
Yes,
that's probably the best bet we're going to have here today.
Sounded like a ladyboy there. That's SIP, bro.
I think that's the point of it though, bro. You
That's
have
SIP.
to get, your voice has to get so high
SIP.
pitched for it.
Yo. Second ladyboy entered the chat.
But anything like this, yeah, Asia high, we're not seeing volume.
Bro, Brian missed it. Brian, please rewind. Keek, sorry, man.
I just logged on and heard a lady boy.
Brian, you missed it. Just go back. The Flying Eagle, West Bosnian mosquito bird. Just did a...
Made a little appearance. But yeah, I don't, until then, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I probably don't see something happening over here. And US30 NASDAQ, obviously, again, not very touching London sessions. So for me personally, guys, I'm going to have to wait. Probably if we're going to pull back here, see if we get something. Until that point, I'm probably chilling for this session. I'm just going to see what happens.
Is that you, Keeks?
That's me, guys.
Bro, that was incredible. Chad, let's just give Kigo a round of applause.
Bro, we have a soundboard
Yeah,
back.
yeah. Let me get it.
Now that I'm thinking about it.
You are absolutely correct in your assumption that there is a soundboard.
What bro, this is an NCS.
I swear to you, it's a new NCS. Check that. Just as it's their new mix. I think the internet just collapsed. Do we still have inters? Jax, I don't want to be a part of any play in London, especially on an NFP day. Save that money.
Do you guys have any promo codes to use on XM when opening an account? Do you have 2G's trading and you have 2G's
Gold. Use 2G's gold for $5 commission per lot traded on gold. You don't pay commission, you get paid commission.
So there you go, 2G's gold.
Yeah, what up? A week back, baby. Now I just need to figure out what our soundboard was.
I'm honestly surprised you haven't added a SIP in there.
Brother, who cares? Who cares, brother? Who cares, brother? Who cares? Today,
Bro, you know what you gotta do?
smash.
Take Brian's SIP and add that in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
We'll have our very own Chad on the soundboard.
What does this thing do?
The thing goes grrrr, skitty kid pop pop, and the poop poop boom, skia, boom boom, boom boom.
The gold auto is
don't know.
the same as EA. Yes.
I know you gonna dig this.
Look, Mom, I've made it. Jax,
Okay.
when you say take out this one, Chris has just played like 6, so I don't know which one you're referring to.
Now we need some. Jack said, bro, you've got me on WhatsApp. Why are you talking to me through the chat? Send me files, bro. Send me sound files. What do you
Bro,
want to see here?
so
You are the DJ.
So now I see the boys, they're going into broker wars again, eh?
Really? Which?
So it's just 5 in the top.
Alrighty, Chad.
Okay, so
If we get
Okay.
100 likes today, I'm dropping the NFP direction.
there he goes again, Chad.
I'm dropping it. I'm giving you guys the source.
Unfortunately, this one I will not let him. He's holding that carrot. You guys have to get it.
100 likes. NFP. Bro, NCS is really putting in a shift here.
Bro, I don't know. Hey, I just have a funny feeling. Somehow you always find non-copyrighted and then it is copyrighted.
Bro, this is from NCS.
I'm just saying,
never,
bro.
We've never had. This is literally.
Is it their page?
It's their page. It's on NCS. We've never had an issue with NCS.
No, I'm just saying.
Is it too good
It's
to
not,
be
it's
NCS?
not someone else that took something
Nah.
and saying it's
This is
NCS and
from
it's
the
not
source.
NCS.
This is from the source. Not the source. Source. Where are the ladies in the chat? I haven't seen Anna D in a while. Anna,
She was
Oh, you did?
yesterday. I think.
really?
Yeah.
Anna, send us a 5-finger pic, please, just to show proof of life. Anna, I'm going to my Instagram now. Please send us. Chad, I don't think. Anna, 5 fingers. Alright, proof of life. She's not here, bro. I'm actually gonna go send her a message. Where's Anna? Bro, Anna has actually been a legend in the...
What's up, G's and Chad? Let the volume show as well today. Let's get it, brother.
Chad, Anna's not here, bro. I just need to answer this quick.
Let's see, guys. We got something new we're gonna share with you guys very soon. So keep a look on the socials, guys. The boys been grinding. Just joined Project G. Excited. Awesome, my brother. Kigo, I can change the 2G's PS5 code to 2G's gold for XM. Yeah, you can, my brother. I mean, the guys can technically still use it. I think the campaign code is even active still, but obviously you're not being put into any giveaway.
Bro, where's... wait.
So yeah, you can just change it to 2G's gold, my brother.
Chad, Anna's not here. Where's the other ladies?
Amina's probably there.
No, we're not talking about family. We're talking about ladies.
Yeah, okay.
Amina has family, bro. Amina and Azam.
New code works perfectly. Thanks, 2Gs. Awesome. We actually have a few ladies, but somehow, I don't know, they get shy on the stream.
Yaku Simon just joined Project G.
Well, there's Jen.
Jenny.
Morning.
Jenna winner.
Here's a thought. Should have like a code specific for competition instead of making a new code or account. Yeah, we can maybe just do like giveaway code or...
Chad.
The only problem is that obviously it doesn't, it makes it a bit hard for us to see
Track,
analytics and track it.
Chad, markets are open and in motion. It is officially NFP day. It is here. Hope you guys are ready. It is Wednesday. It is round 5. And markets are open and in motion. Ding, ding, ding. Keegan called me bro, but very much female. Yaku.
Oh, no, it's not Yaki. This is... Didn't you win one of the I think she won the iPad. Was it the iPad we gave away or the MacBook? She won the MacBook. Yakulet, if I'm correct. I'm pretty sure I'm right about this.
Yaku. No, it actually says Yaku. Let him sigh, man.
Yeah, that was what he said. I'm sure Yakulet's the one who won the... No, I didn't win anything, sorry. Damn it. Okay, I thought it was you.
Where are the people that have won stuff from us?
Kyle's normally here. Where's Kyle?
Who won the PS5?
ATM, AJ.
Where's
AJ?
Where's AJ? Man is gaming. Did he receive? Yeah, we sent it that same day, yeah. Has he said thank you yet? He did say thank you, but has he said thank you since he opened it?
I don't know.
We haven't even made a post about we should.
I actually did ask him to send something. I think because he was on the group, bro. He's on Project G. I asked him.
I love it.
I can't even remember if he did.
Yaku, let him sigh, man. Okay, Yaku, let.
have a look at quickly.
Is dit Jaculet met 'n J of Jaculet met 'n K? Ek neem anders met 'n J want anders is dit Kakulet, maar sorry man, that Leon Schuster Jacopie. Anyways, if you don't know, don't worry about it.
I haven't seen ATM on the chat since he won the PS5. Is ATM? I'm pretty sure ATM is not going to be on the other side of things because I'm.
No, but I think it was Tola. Tola was the traffic officer. Jacopie. Jacopie met 'n J. Anders is dit Kakkopie. Bro, Leon Schuster is a treasure, bro. Needs to be protected. Hey, Leon. Keys, you don't know anything about those Leon Schuster movies. You actually, bro, you haven't lived yet. Ash, how's it going? Ash is a dude, I know. Ash trading 245. Steerzek dot. What's up, Steez? Jakes, I actually watched some of that stuff and I was like, how he did not get cancelled even back then. Some of it is a little borderline dangerous, I think. Yes, dude, Leon had some of, bro, some of the best movies. No, Dax. Bro, man didn't just do blackface. Man literally got painted. Got other hair put on. Yo. Hey, Leon. I are a dude, yes. Do that. Brian, are you serious? Brian, how did it work though? You must ask your mate, like after the stunt, do you need to sign like papers to say, look, you're going to be used in the movie? Or, I don't know if it was so strict back then. I always wondered how it works. Like afterwards, do you go and say like, hey, we're going to use this for a movie, sign a disclaimer, or... Oh, shucks. Dave Franco, let's go. No. Hey, so you think Leon was just winging it, my bro? Just straight up. Just vibes. Just bro, life was simpler back then, eh? Hey, slash Awana, Mazana, Manana. Tried to take the coffin in the taxi and the body fell out. Hey, Leon. I know a lot of the stuff was scripted, but a lot of his original stuff was like when that one boxer, I think it was Kali Knutzer that blacksumed him when he dressed like an Indian guy, and he started to cut open his watermelons.
Sorry, bro. Did you see the donor?
Yeah, I know already. Acknowledge the donor.
Just checking.
I think it was Kali Knutzer that Kali blacksumed him, my bro.
And my friends, we popped up our
Oh, Mike. Mike, I see you coming in the ring. You're coming. Yes, Leon, my bro. Mike's good there. Nah, Jakes, you gotta actually go back in the archives and go and enjoy those movies.
Was that what you watched on the weekend, bro?
Nah, I've watched all of his movies, bro. Still, some of them I've watched multiple times.
Oh, bro, you farted, but you like that Afrikaans humor.
Took a long holiday. Hey, Stofie, good to... Why? In the small one.
Oh, you need to want a tea. We need I'll make it. Drink that and I'll make it.
Thank you. Stofo, gaan het met Jom? Gaan het met die gezondheid? Al die ander goedjies? Etty said yellow is my color, Keeks.
Yellow.
He said it really complements my weak jawline. Actually makes it look a little bit stronger. Stop. Should have 50k. Dude, I would even love to have him on now. I don't know how difficult that would be. Is this more custard powder color? Here we're going back to classic NCS. Here we're back to the classics.
It was good while it lasted.
Yo, the new playlist. Oh, Leon. Chat, don't forget, if you go on the 2G's trading website, you guys can go and register for the free seminar that I will be hosting with a special guest soon to be announced. We actually need to retake this. Look at that guy in the cookie cupboard. Okay, what happened to our website?
What do you mean?
There's no headers here on top. Where's Daco? Bro, what is going on here? Just pop Daco a message there. There's just contact there on top.
I just want to see if he's here in the chat.
Chat, and whoever's trying to hack us, like, yo, please stop. It's getting weird now. Yeah, Chad, we had how many attempts? 30 attempts.
Bro, a lot. It's stupid.
Thirty attempts to get hacked. Kicks, is that the 17 Pro Max? That is the Pro Max, my bro. Wash.
Oh, my brother.
Pro Max. Alrighty, gold still ranging beautifully. How can we constructively utilize the time we've got here, Chad? Let me know, is there anything specific that you guys want to know about, talk about? Let's be constructive here and not just watch Gold Ranger. Let's have some constructive chats. $100 likes for NFP signal. More opinion. Let's not use the word signal. Naz, I'm BE on daily flip. Hey, check C. Jared, absolutely terrible advice there, my man. What about the Paul automated trading? 53% of you saying you are interested. Yeah, we are, or we're not busy. We already have one automated strategy for gold that has been rolled out to Project G. We've got another automation that we're releasing next week. We're just running the last bit of testing for NASDAQ. And then the third one is a swing trading one for gold. And that I'm going to say at least a month. Maybe quicker, but give us a month. So again, it won't be sold. Even though the bot sellers, they make a lot of money. My thing is the following: why I don't like to sell something like that. Because let's say you pay for a bot 10,000 Rand. Now, let's say you even put 100k into a trading account. You're literally putting 100k at risk to first make back your 10k. And not everyone has got 100,000 Rand in their back pocket that they're willing to lose. So it's always very likely someone's going to pay 10,000 for a bot, and they might fund with 10,000. So now you need to make 100% return on investment before you break even. So for me, it's completely unfair to have a system like that. Why not use tools available to make it risk-free in the sense of there's no upfront expenditure for a client? DOAC, who's that? DOAC. Oh, Gareth, we already have that, my brother. We have that. We just need to button up our security because that's part of where people are trying to hack into our system. So we've got a journal. And basically, give me 1 second. Just want to show you guys. Let me just show you guys quickly. So if you go here onto Project G, this is Discord, by the way. So if you go here by Project G, you'll see there. It's not visible currently to the guys, but we've got a trading journal, and what's going to make this quite nice is myself and Keegs will have the ability as a moderator to go and view your journal, and we'll have the ability to comment on your trades.
Like leave notes and things
Yeah,
like that.
so if you journal and you ask me a question about a trade, I can go into your journal and I can go and comment on your trades.
So for example, instead of a way to, we always say we can't do completely one-on-ones with people because we don't have the time for that, but like in the evenings and whatever, when we have gaps, we can go through journals and then just leave notes. Okay, great trade this, okay, but you missed that, you didn't do this. Or if I can see, if you honestly also online and you're being a complete DJ and having 50 trades by London Open, then we can start identifying problems. The Discord link on YouTube.
Yeah,
is
we don't
live.
actually have a Discord anymore. We do have it, but it's we busy rolling out a new system. What we are gonna do is we're gonna create a free WAP, and we're gonna direct everyone to the free WAP, and it's just easier for us because we're trying to streamline everything we do. But yeah, we're very excited for the journal. It's going to be a beta release, so we put into the trading journal what we think is necessary, but we're also going to get good feedback from the guys to say, okay, we want to see this, because I've went through quite a few of these journaling platforms, and a lot of the data is unnecessary because you want to use the data to your benefit and to find possible correlations between your winners and your losers. So a lot of the data is so unnecessary. It looks incredible, but it's like, okay, what do I do with that data? Slash, I think you need to, that PC needs a refresh because we're done with the raid and then you load in. But I think there needs to be put some respect on that PC. Our PC has put in a shift, my dude. Like you got a lot of utility out of that PC. Like you actually need to put that PC off for like a week. Just let it rest. Put it like in a little Epsom salt bath. Just for those processes just to release a bit. Dwayne, I'll definitely have a look. I'll definitely have it. Jake's actually good. I told Keeks last night, got 2 Bobcats at Buried City and I keep forgetting the other name. Tempest. Just did I just farmed basically 15 rounds. Just farmed, managed to craft a Venator again, maxed out the Venator, got a Stitcher, maxed out, got some attachments. So I think I'm sitting on 140 items, still sitting at 1.9 million space coins or whatever we call it. So stash is back up. Got a few, not stash keys. What is it? Ejection keys. What do we call it? The keys for extraction, Kigo.
A hatch key.
Hatch key, yeah. So
Hatch key.
Epstein salt. So now the stash is looking good. But Chad, talk to me. Let's be productive here. What do you guys want to talk about? What do you guys want to... Let's be productive here.
But Jake's is the same sometimes career.
No, so Jake's, we have landed on the map and then it still shows Slash is not there. Then we start running and run about 400 meters away from the spawn point. He drops in. Likes, 100 likes. We dropping not signal in the beninging. In the beninging.
The beninging.
In the beninging.
The beninging.
Listen properly. Bro, that Venator is an absolute laser. Please talk about trading psychology. What part, Mama? What do you wanna talk about in terms of ask your questions, guys. Chris, je OES strat is kookwater. Hey Pietman. Beautiful man. Sterkte my vriend. Mag jy voorspoed by jou voordeur wag en soos jy uitstap, jou absoluut oorrompel en sommer in 'n kopklem sit, laat daai voorspoed net by jou bly.
I'm still waiting for the next.
Wait, what did Rooksy say? Yeah. What is Rooksy giving away? Yeah.
I'm also trying to see.
Hey Brian, let's have a call after the stream. Let me drop that sauce on you, my brother, in a very straight manner.
Yeah, Rooks, bro, the DDR5 is such a game changer.
Bro, is the Beretta that little gun?
Little pistol.
Yeah, that Slasher says he thinks it's better than the Venator.
Bro, I've been saying this, bro.
But how though?
Put a Beretta, let alone even a Beretta for a Beretta 2 or something. Put a muzzle brake on it, extended mag. There you go, bro.
I can't believe this. And I've got a Beretta.
Just as I said, not a Belletta 1, like at least a Belletta 2, and then obviously like if you have Belletta
Okay,
3
but
or
I'm
4,
talking about the Venator maxed out. That thing is
Go-
disgusting.
Okay, Venator maxed out versus a Belletta 4.
Is a Belletta
That's however quick you can shoot. That's up to you.
so same as the Venator? You need to.
The Venator's got a bit of a where this is, bro. If you can, you just beam.
I don't know because I've been melting. Okay, I've not. Slash, did you see the update though? Did you see the new update with getting the credits or not?
All these boys out here playing games in the evening while some of us are grinding away.
Just add the Cronus on your OC, Chris. He'll melt everyone. What is the Cronus?
So don't worry. You know, don't Jakes don't teach us, man, these things.
Just add the Cronus on your OC. What is the OC?
Enjoy Steam Chat if I sit here with my hands again. Initially itchy to do DJ.
Oh, is the Cronus like a macro for your mouse? Do you have it?
You've seen my mouse.
Bro, they're really serious about not having people kill each other. But I told Keeks, yes, I was gnar last night. I was doing Buried City, so just farming Buried City. Go to our usual spot there at the parking lot. Did the guy not plant 4 trigger mines? Is it trigger mines, those, or jolt mines?
Jolt on.
4 jolt mines. As I zip down, I land, I get jolted. He throws a blaze grenade at me and then beams the cuck out of me. I'm like, yes, dude.
Nah, they came for you, bro. They came for you.
Dankjewel.
Yeah.
Slash, he says, like, nah, I don't have it. And then I found out he was farming gun levels on Battlefield. I already know about farming the gun levels.
Bro,
You must
I've
probably
been-
also went
I've been a
with that.
gamer for how long, and this man's trying to be like all Thing is, you were trying to be all secretive, and then you were like, nah, bro, I've been doing this.
I know.
And I was just like, bro, I already know what to do.
Chat, I'm just gonna
That's
have
how he
a
was
bite.
catching levels so quickly. That's how he
No,
was doing
no,
every.
no.
Bro, don't.
I
Don't
couldn't,
lie, bro.
I couldn't get it to glitch. That's why I asked you. You're like, nah, bro, I couldn't glitch anything.
Oh. But yeah, for the guys that actually want to the Discord, there is a Discord link over there. Regarding psychology, Chris, I'm battling with journey. What's the best way to go about it? Should I go old school with a book and pen or digital? Any advice would be appreciated. Even personally, bro, that's up to you. Like, genuinely, it comes down to you if you want to do the old school thing or digital. That's really just a preference thing. But the whole thing with journeying is like anything else, bro. You have to hold yourself accountable. You have to put the trades in there. You got to stick to it. You can't journal, for example, the winners and then have to go cash on cuck with 3 losers, and then you don't want to journal the losers, because you have to just be, you have to be transparent with yourself. You have to show everything to yourself, because the only way you're going to identify problems and patterns and things like that is when it's all there. So yeah, the how you go about it, that's preference, but you just have to journal everything.
Pen or digital, I think you need to use the system that you are consistently going to use. There's no value if you do it digitally and you're never going to go back on it. So what's going to be easiest for you to review and use? Digital or paper?
my thing is you always want to try and eliminate the excuses. So, for example, for me, it was digital worked beautifully because now I was I don't have my book here, or I don't have a pen, or I don't have paper with me now, or I don't have this, and then you forget about it, and then you don't do it later, and you don't. When it's there, it's on your phone, it's on whatever. You do it quickly, 3 minutes, and you're done. So, like I say, for me, I like the digital because it just removes excuses.
All of the sauce without the wors. Yeah, Ethan, you can write as much information as you possibly want. Because the idea with the journal is we forget, for instance, how we felt that day, why you closed early, why you put your stop there. So the journal is to refresh your memory and take you back in time to when you actually executed the trade. Because obviously when you're sitting and you're waiting to execute a trade live, the markets are obviously moving. And there's a little bit of emotion, a little bit of excitement. You're going to put risk on the table. And now you're starting to see you're making some money, losing some money. Now, obviously, that starts working on you emotionally. So then you maybe see a quick candle spike up and down. And then it's like, okay, no, let me get out. So you journal that. That's why I say backtesting to a point is good. But on a backtest, you don't see candle development. You don't see live P&Ls going up and down. I even said it before. I think a lot of prop traders that have received payouts and that actually do well on prop firms won't do well on a personal account. And the reason I say that is with a prop firm, your risk is basically set at what you paid for the account. So you paying $500, you basically slinging $10,000 worth of risk. And you know, if you lose $10,000, it only costed you $500. Now take that same $100,000 account and put your own money in there. I promise you're not going to trade it how you trade a prop firm. And I think a lot of guys will fail because all of a sudden the risk is real. The risk is not fixed at $500 what you paid for the account. So I think a lot of prop firms, prop traders won't do well on personal. It's our pleasure, my brother. Slash, how many hamsters do you run on your CPU? Because I know in winter you've got the wood side where you stoke the CPUs with wood fire. And my question is, do you rotate the hamsters?
You got to give them breaks. That's where they're gonna build out, burn out, and then that's where the PC crashes.
Just I remember when I also had a wood PC, bro. But I enjoyed it, my dude. Even though I waited to load in, graphics was set to like almost nothing. I jammed it, bro.
Ah, bro, that's when I left PC for a while. Was when I was like, yeah. When you're a student and you're seeing the prices of PCs, I was like, yeah, I'm going back over to PlayStation. And then you get back into PC and...
John, I don't know if your stream is lagging. Exactly what? I wonder if John is in the past. John, come to the future. Come to the present. Be with us here. Wait, let me actually... I just want to show the guys my first little sweat setup.
But I heard Keys is giving you a new CPU. What are you doing with your one? Where it's the CPU? No, I'm not giving a new CPU. He wants the GPU.
Bro, might as well just throw in the CPU. might as well bless me with the CPU as well.
Yeah.
Bro, just throw in the CPU. If I was you, why go through all of that effort? Just drop the entire PC.
Yeah.
And then I blaze Slash with my PC. Let me see if I can find that. Okay, let's see.
That's a perfect idea.
Let me see in the gaming squad. Yes, bro, I went yesterday on the gaming squad. It was like 60 messages.
Nah, bro, the X chat on there.
Yo, the O's are...
That's why I take a while to reply sometimes. I'll look there and I'll be like, yo, boys. You know what's funny, bro? Because when you look at it, 290 images in the group, and it's just goop.
Everyone's just like sharing their
Uh, and then there's the Battlefield days.
Bro, why can't I find that?
Slash, I just can see how the group's gonna change again, bro, when GTA 6 comes out.
Nah, we're not playing that, bro.
Bro, don't even start that. Have you noticed, Chad? Just to give you guys insight, every single game we play, we start off with Chris is like, nah, I'll see if I'm gonna get it. Every single game we've played.
Okay, I found it.
Jen says she sent that when you were talking about proper cards. Now, I think Ark is doing a good idea of keeping the game alive, so I think Ark will be a thing for quite a while.
Yeah, it's just a young man living his dream, yeah.
I love it. You remember when we still started and we were like, yo, we all going top side. Chris is like, nah. I like the simplicity of Battlefield 6. I'm not gonna get Ark Raiders. Now the man's a gooper. We just need to slowly turn him into a bangulator. Then he's okay.
Bro, nowadays, what the flip is a bungulator?
You just asked me what is a
What?
bungulator.
What is a bungulator?
Live by the group, die by the group. That's a bungulator.
Hey, no, there's some bungulators.
Bro, how does this man not know?
Chad, that was when I started working. This was my first setup. Bro, look how small that desk is. Yo, man. Man, I still remember this night. I came home from work, just took off my jeans. This little, bro, this room. this was the first. This was our first
remember when you
house.
said this on the group, bro.
This was our first house. When I say this office is small, that's the wall there, and just on the other side, it's like a little shoebox. If I lay flat, my feet touch the wall there. That's why I couldn't get a big desk in there.
Bro, when you sent that, I had so many questions when, like, he literally
that
still
tan,
has his
bro.
shirt on, everything. Like, the gaming chair in full work.
This isn't even a gaming chair. This
Nah,
is
no, I'm
just
saying,
like
that's you just putting that thing up there, bro. Like a
That's why
normal
my
chair
back
there.
is chalk, bro. Look at that prawn back there.
Oh, they was he sweating in Dota.
Yeah, see. Bro, look how small that area is where I've got the ability to use my mouse. It's literally like this. I don't know how I worked with that.
You have like a 5 centimeter radius to use your mouse. Bro, what size screen is that? That's like a 20-inch monitor.
No, that was actually a 17. I think it was a 17.
I
or a
always get back
19.
to we forget how small the monitors used to
That
be
was
back
a,
then,
it
bro.
was a 19 inch.
Oh,
I don't even think it was 19, bro.
no space for the mouse. With the cap on, at least the shirt stayed on.
Carl, I still remember it. I came back home that day. It was a Friday. And that little room I had there, that shoebox, was hot, my dude. And my one mate is like, bro, we're going online. I'm like, give me a sec. And I just took my jean off. I don't know why I put the cap on. I don't know. The cap was completely unnecessary. And I was chilling there. I didn't even know my wife took a photo of me. And
Where's the... Did you send it to us? Or did Alsaby send it to us?
what's that?
The one... When we started gaming, yeah. We were like the next generation of gaming.
Oh, yeah.
And of course, bro, you played Dota in the same boat.
This Dota has come a long way. I haven't played in months, though.
How the setup has changed, and there's still Dota on the screen.
Send that to me quickly, Keegs. I wanna. The guys wanna see the.
Like literally, guys, like this is actually quite funny. I'm saying it to Chris now, but literally, how the whole setup changed, but there's still Dota. That's like iconic, bro. Yeah, I sent it to him there now. Check it, guys. How it changed now.
Still the dotes.
But Dota is still there.
Totes my goats. Shame, when was this? Donald looks so small there. I at least have my pants on there. Pants are on. But again, look at that hunchback there.
But much bigger desk now. You still only
Slash, I
running,
think it's 6,500 hours.
you still only running a dual setup at home, eh?
Yeah.
Oh.
I actually want to get more vertical, because with the 32s I like to have it in the middle, and that one is almost like on that side.
That's how mine are as well. My 30, I've got the 232s, but you make them almost curve around, so it means when you are playing, you kind of actually game like a little off center.
Chris, now I play any euro. I pick based on what they pick, so you obviously want to counter. So it's completely dependent on what draft they picking, and then obviously what our draft looks like. And unfortunately, not a lot of people know how to do that. I can already tell you before we start a game, like, we're losing it.
Bro, but you know what's crazy when you think about that, eh? How long have you played Dota then? Do you rack up those amount of hours?
11 years.
11 years, okay. Peanut, Tifu, Nick, all of them, they're already over 10,000 hours in Arc.
Disgusting.
Like when you think about that now.
That is disgusting. Yeah,
no, I love the Odyssey, bro. It's a great gaming screen.
I played, what's the name? There was a time I played Invoker and Pudge a lot. Let's actually see if Dotes is on ya. Totes my goats.
It is Anya. Because you still played it when we were in the old studio, so.
Totes my goats. Oh no, oh yeah, no, I took it off. Don't download it now. Did I not take it off? How do I check my hours? There. Oh no, it's only 5,600 hours. It's just ranging, my brother. It is just ranging. That's why I say we're gonna have to wait for NFP. Just a lot of range happening here. I will potentially take a jab at gold if we come down here and test the 200.
Gold's making waves today, bro.
There's no entry being made from now, my brother, but if we can test this 200 EMA, we might go for a position, but as of now, nothing here for us. You can see we are still slowly trotting down here. So we're slowly trotting down. So that is what I'm waiting for. And if we can get that, I'll take a little jab. Maybe a 1-to-1 even. Just get a nice little 1-to-1. Even maybe if we greedy, go like 1 to 2.5. Something like that. Everybody, you see, US government started removing some of those files they released one for one from public. What files, my brother? The EP files. I haven't really looked into it. Yeah, Ethan, it usually chops both ways. So that is what I'm waiting for, Chad. If we can get a nice test there. I'm not too I'm not too into the EP files. Bro, George. Is there just one matriarch reactor? Kicks, or how many does it drop?
I don't know, bro. I know the queen drops
Because
quite a few.
because I see George's got a matriarch reactor, so he was obviously waiting there for the boys to kill.
Man should have got that reactor and just done the duplication glitch.
Now George, he literally blueprints. I've not even received the blueprint in that 15 rounds I ran last night. I think it's patched now.
That is patched, so they fixed it. They did a hot patch last
I would
night.
love if they backtrack it and find the guys that did it and remove that money.
Well, apparently all that they did was they gave the guys not a ban, a soft brand. So they just basically warn you and stuff. But again, like, my thing is, so yeah, here's the argument. You're not hacking. You found a glitch in their system. That's not your fault.
No, but they need to fix it and put everyone on level ground.
But what if lots of other people found it and didn't do anything about it?
They're not. Lots of other people had the benefit of having a lot of money now. You gotta, even though they will even the play. I'm gonna email them now quickly. Embark.
You go email them, bro.
Let me go email Embark now.
Share your voice with the people.
You also didn't use it.
Nope.
Nah, Keeks. Let me go Embark. Email address.
Otherwise, you can leave them and you just give us all money. Just give us like an extra million. Just be like, for sorry sakes, there's $1 million for you.
Okay, let me Embark Studios. Okay, let me just email them quickly. Contact us. Why not wait for... Bro, crazy that a company that big uses Google Drive. Bro, this is literally from their website. They literally share press releases on Google Drive. What legends. That's efficiency. Somebody asking why not wait for the red line. Yeah, the red line is as well, as long as we have bodily closures above the 200. So that is what I'm looking for here, if we can get it.
Slash, that's why, trust me, as I said, nothing's gonna happen to the guys. They just got a little soft warning of, hey, we saw what you were doing, don't do it again.
I would have rather
That's it.
duplicated the seeds, bro.
No, what everyone did was everyone duplicated the ducks.
No, I'm not worried about the money. I want the seeds. I would have sold my entire library because the seeds literally get you everything you need to craft. Think about it.
So this man really just told me you want the seeds over the money. The same way seeds get you anything to craft, the money can buy you anything you need.
No, you can't buy a Venator.
You can.
You can't.
Can you not buy a Venator, guys? I'm pretty sure you can.
Only thing you can buy is an anvil, a hole cracker, a stitcher, kettle. I think those are the only. You can't buy a Venator.
Really?
Swear to you. Is there space to, unfortunately, full till middle of the year, Lutando, my brother.
Okay. But then again, Slash, you can buy a Belletta, can't you? I'm sure you can buy a Belletta.
Project G is unfortunately full till the middle of the year.
Please don't listen to this guy.
It is absolutely jam-packed.
Lutando, please don't listen to him. You can join my brother.
No, Slash, the thing is, all of the materials Celeste has, you can buy and you can craft. So you can even use all of those materials to craft other materials that you need to craft other stuff. So
But you can buy, as I say now, a Belletta. You can wreck the guy with the Veni and take the Venator.
I'm going to try that a bit later. All right, guys, we are going to open up 5 more spots for Project G. And then we're closing registrations.
Yeah, you can only buy 10 of each and then you have to wait 10 hours. So your game plan's just going to take time, bro.
Okay. Keegs, 5 more spots. Nothing more. We're only going to allow 5 more into the inner circle. Nah, no, but still, Slash. Yo, those items. Like, I had to farm last night to craft my Venator, and then after that to level it up.
Bro, Rooks is on it, eh?
What did Rixie do?
Like, before I even can see what the person's done, Rooksy is hitting them.
Where? I didn't see anything.
That's the thing, I didn't even see it either. I just see that this person was hidden by Rooks.
Oh, I don't see it. Cracked camera shorts.
They were spamming. I didn't even see the spam.
Oh, you must go live chat.
That's why.
Oh, my sack. Do you give 5? Just that's unfortunate thing. It's not exponential. The information is the same. But you're gonna feel 5 times more special. Okay, 5 more spots. Let me see if those 5 spots have been taken. And ladies and gentlemen, we still have 5 spots available.
Does Forex usually act more on order blocks, breakout structures, liquidity sweep, etc.? Forex reacts off anything. You'd actually see if I stand here and I blow at it, you'll see it also moves.
Oh man, stop that madness. Stop that madness, Keeks.
You cool, bro.
Yeah, we still have 5 spots available, guys. Still 5 available. Okay, but I'm gonna have to end the stream. I've got a meeting with Jamie now.
I need to finish just the last touch-ups on the YouTube video.
Did we get the likes?
No.
Yeah, no. Sorry, Chad. No signalato for you.
So Prodigy, we'll see you guys for it.
We'll see you for it. Ladies and gents, kindly note it is NFP today. I did mention we're expecting chop. So yeah, just trade carefully. There already you can see US30 taking Asia highs and lows straight back in the middle here. NASDAQ pretty much close, similar. But for me, Chad, we're going to wait for NFP. Prodigy, we'll see you guys this afternoon for the NYSE stream. Already gave you guys the source this morning. Kigo, any closing remarks from you, my brother?
Nah, guys, as you always say, we're not going to force anything. Markets we know exactly what we want. If we don't get it, then unfortunately it's a no trade. So
Are we back on WAP? Was Discord not good?
oh, we're on what, bro? Wait, what are you talking about?
No, for the NYSE session.
No, Duck and myself have already been talking. Discord is fine.
Is it fucked?
No, it's not like it works.
Oh, I thought you said it's fucked.
No,
you
no,
said
no,
it's
it
fine.
works. It's better. It's better than
okay.
what I thought you meant for the call. Yeah. But yeah, Prodigy guys, just obviously check out the WAP group. We'll record and tell you guys what to do from there. But yeah, we'll see you guys for that one.
Chad, thank you so much. 100 likes.
Flores, we go live for London every day at 9:30, and then New York session we are with our members. We go live.
There you go. In the chat. Chad, peace and love, baby. See you guys a little bit. No, not later. See you guys tomorrow. Let me just see something at Keeks before we head off.
Did you really just tell them just sell the gold?
No, for NFP. For NFP, Chad. Peace.
I keep going.